Hiccup, and then this is my new video. And look at Hiccup here. Look at the new puppy and Miki's hat. So when the Hiccup had the blood, I have to have the story for you. Hiccup just fight by Miki. Just bitten. Was bitten by Miki, and then just trained from blobs in few days ago. No, in 1 day ago from something in the story. So we have to actually tell about the story of Hiccup. When Hiccup just go through the box, and I just scared about Hiccup. I don't know when. So Miki's sleeping. We have to just wake him up. Yeah, stop running. Where are you going? Stop. I can't go upstairs. Okay, I'm going up. Stop. Okay. It's okay. Don't cry, little Hiccup. Okay, look at Hiccup on my camera. Hiccup. Can you see Hiccup here? Can you see him? Can you see Hiccup on my screen? Look at. I'm just going confused down here. This video will be unfaithful in 10 minutes. And tomorrow. Oh, look, Hiccup. I love you. Oh, I love you. So we have to tell about Hiccup's story here. Woo! Okay. Okay. How about this? And we have this.